Hi, Pete here again from Eco Fires and Stoves, Crookham Village. Product review. We do quite a few cylinder stoves, you know, in bigger open plan living spaces, a lot of kitchen areas, some conservatories, that sort of thing. But generally they're for a wider area to heat. Okay, not suitable for small rooms, put it that way. This is the Heta 900. Absolutely fantastic stove we put in our showroom. It lights perfectly, it lights well on poor flue conditions, which generally these go on a prefabricated flue, which are never the best ways, you know, chimneys, but this just operates perfectly on them. This is all the important stuff when it comes to fitting a stove and choosing a stove. It distributes the heat perfectly, you know. They don't get so uncomfortable we can't get too close to them, but they do distribute a lovely amount of heat around. So like I say, Heta 900, Heta, known for being high quality products, always have been. This one ticks just that one little extra box for us. It really looks slick. We like that word slick here. It's got this is the one with the glass door. So they do a steel door as well. The handle tucks neatly into the form of the body, so that just pulls out, yeah, all nice and neat. And when it closes, a nice clunk, a bit like a Volkswagen. It's got the control at the front rather than around the back where it could get hot and uncomfortable to operate. Everything's on the front of it. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. They do different versions of this, different styles, different heating and what have you. One thing I didn't show you very quickly is under here. Got a little storage area. You've actually got a little rack in there with your little tools, okay? So that's always to hand and out of the way, which is what people like. And this is where your ash collection bucket is, the size of that. You'll get weeks of ash in there, you know, depending on how much you use it, obviously. Then that's got a nice clunk down seal on it as well, so you're not getting all that air rushing up underneath like you do a lot of multi-fuel stoves and what have you. This is an out-and-out wood-burning stove. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to light it now. Because I want to show you how well these go up. You can see I've done a nice stack of my top-down lighting, which I've become a little bit famous for showing off. But that really works well. Again, I'll say we get a lot of reports coming in, a lot of thank you letters and emails saying, wow, that top-down lighting method got over all my smoking issues, that sort of thing. Chimney smoking, that is. So yeah, so I'm gonna get this lit. I'm going to try and do a video so we can show the process of it getting up to temperature. Then I'll come back in 15 minutes time to show it all in its full glory. Here we go. Right, so control over, full air control on. We sell these too, boxes of long matches, £3.50 a box. Okay, there we go. So just going to light the fire lighter in the middle. This has now been going for, I reckon, 15-20 minutes after that initial lighting. Controls are still on full. It's now time to put your new logs on. You've got a nice white ash, cherry red embers. That's your visual indicator that that thing's up to temperature, so it didn't take long at all. And all the interior is nice and clean, the glass is nice and clean. These are all indicators that it's up to temperature. Okay, so just open that door. I'm going to put another couple of logs on. Still got my famous asbestos hands. Shut the door, keep it on full. In another 5-10 minutes time, you can start to slow that burn down. You know, because, like I say, it's still on full. We still want to keep getting some heat in there. Then we'll be shutting that down. You can see by there, it does actually slow the burn down now, but it needs to be up higher before that works properly. I would say another 10-15 minutes you can get full control on there, then get your real efficiency out of it by reducing the amount of air going into it. But like I say, these stoves are brilliant, absolutely love them. They look really cool too.